Remember minimalism, that works here too. Don't get me wrong, I'm not telling you that you cannot have it all. Of course you can. You can have the cake and eat it too. However, one thing at a time. Hey everyone, hi, I'm Ananya Shetty and welcome back to my channel to help you create the life that you want and to become the best version of yourself. Well, today's video is about how to change your life in next 6 months. You must be wondering, aren't we supposed to take this pandemic a little slow and easy? Well, exactly the reason why you need to stay tuned to the entire video, because I have all of that covered for you. Firstly, we need to be absolutely grateful that we managed to survive the second wave. So congratulations on that. And moving on, I think it's time to get up, because we do not want to sit in silence and wonder by the end of the year, where did 2021 go by? Because clearly that's exactly what we did last year, and we do not want to repeat the history. Remember when 2021 began, all the hope, the expectation, the aspirations that came up with New Year's? I kind of understand that most of us believe that they've all gone in drain. However, if you feel that there is still some hope to make 2021 count, this is your only chance. So let's make this next 6 months absolutely intentional. This year, we're celebrating mid-year as a second new year, and I'm really hoping that we are on the same page. So on that note, let's get started. You can completely change your life in next 6 months. You can improve your health, make money, transform relationships, build business, and be much more confident that you exactly are right now. And that's exactly the power of living an intentional life. However, you can change your life only when you know what is that you're changing. So that clearly brings us back to basics. Know your why. Know exactly what you want to change in every area of your life. And if you want more clarity, there's nothing better than writing things down. Write exactly with every single detail. Like, how does your ideal life look like? How does your ideal day look like? Do yourself a favor, write them down. Do it with such detailing that you can not just visualize it, but also feel it deeply, truly. And if you find this process a little difficult, a little unreal to even go ahead and believe, I have a trick for you. Remember all those accomplishments that you've done all your life till date, that kind of instill the confidence in you and actually tell you, if you could do it, then you could do it again and even better. To make this process a lot more helpful, easy and interesting, I have a couple of questions for you, and you need to sit down, pause the video, answer them, and then move ahead forward. What contributes to your happiness? What are you proud of? What do you wish you could do slightly differently? Or maybe what area of your life you feel like it's lacking? Or what is that you're missing out on? You could be at a great space when it comes to career, and maybe your health needs special attention, or maybe you have some amazing people and relationship in your life, and probably you need a career change. So whatever is the situation, do not be hard on yourself. It's okay if you're not where you want to be. Do not be critical and judgmental about yourself. That's not the purpose. Well, one of the important things that you need to remember is that set fewer goals. Well, that's the thumb rule. Lesser the goal, more you will achieve. Remember minimalism, that works here too. Don't get me wrong, I'm not telling you that you cannot have it all. Of course you can. You can have the cake and eat it too. However, one thing at a time. I do not want to see you step into multiple boats at the same time and see you sink upside down. That's not where we are getting. So here's the trick. Ask yourself this question. What is the one thing I can do so that by doing it, everything else will become easier or probably unnecessary? It's a domino effect. One thing leads to another, and then another, and the rest follows. It's a loop. Well, one example that's quite relatable and something that I can remember right now to share with you is working out. So somebody who regularly works out, they feel very energetic, enthusiastic. They're no more lethargic. Then they feel the need to eat right, feel healthy, and they're absolutely looking forward for every single day, and they perform better, they achieve their goals, they're happy, and it's a loop repeating all over again. So clearly it's time for you to find out what is that one major goal, or probably one or two goals that you want to work on next 6 months. And it'll be really intelligent and classic of you if you are able to pick up a goal that can create a domino effect for you. roughly map how you are going to achieve your goals. You can actually break down the bigger chunk of goal into smaller ones, divided into monthly and weekly. And trust me, if you are somebody who is new to planning, there are tons of videos that I've created on monthly planning. I would highly insist you go check them out. I'll also link the link to the video in the description box below. And weekly planning and weekly review is something that I kind of started adopting this year, and I can't tell you what a game changer it is. So if you want to know more about it, if you want to know how to do it and how to do it right, drop me in the comment sections below and I'll be more than happy to help you through. One of the secrets to make the next 6 months count is to become the person who you want to be friends with. Now that sounds new, but trust me, it works. What does your ideal friend do? What does a day look like? Does she work out? Does she meditate? Does she journal? Does she love cooking food? Does she prioritize herself? Does she save money? Does she work on her business every single day? What does she do? And all the characteristics and the features that your ideal friend has, that's exactly the things that you need to implement for your daily ritual or the daily habits. Also, to everybody who feels I do not have the time, I cannot give that kind of time, I'm too busy, I have too much on my plate, blah blah blah, I have a thing for you, so hear me out. So for example, if there's a project that you need to do in a week's time, and if you have a week, you can probably take an entire week to do it. However, if you have just thrown the project 2 days prior, probably you can do it overnight and just finish it off. That's exactly what I'm trying to tell you. If you feel that your dream or your big goal, it takes 5 years to accomplish, you will take 5 years. However, if you give yourself a deadline that you need to accomplish this in 6 months, trust me, you will do it. A classic example is me. So I took a sabbatical. I actually applied for a sabbatical leave for 2 years, which wasn't sanctioned, and they only gave me like 3 months. And I was devastated because I wanted to be working on a coaching program. And because I had only 3 months, I had no choice but figure out how to do all of it in just 3 months. And I already had a launch, and my second batch is already out and getting over, and everything is going phenomenal. So if I can do it, you can do it too. There are 2 versions that you can land on. One, the version of you that you're right now, and 2, the version of you that's 6 months later. Both are possible, choice is yours. Well, in the first option, nothing changes. In the second option, there could be major changes, or probably everything changes. Either way, those 6 months are going to go by. Either way, December 2021 is going to come. So there will be a day you'll be 6 months older, and that you do not have a choice. But trust me, my friend, the only choice that you have is to be 6 months wiser, 6 months fitter, 6 months confident, or 6 months whatever you want to be. Listen, get this straight. I'm not talking about achieving a huge goal in the next 6 months. I'm talking about the 6 months of uninterrupted focus, the best that you can give, and being open to see what's on the other side. Having said that, we are not looking for something to burn you out. That's clearly not the plan. I'm specifically looking for creating new systems, making a lifestyle change, discovering a new side to your personality, and probably up-leveling your game. How does that sound? It's 6 months of not giving up, 6 months of no procrastinating, 6 months of no excuses. It's basically 6 months of hardcore focus, pushing yourself every single day, because you got this. Prioritize what's important to you and what exactly the change that you want to see in the next 6 months, and make it happen every single day sincerely. Well, listen to me, I'm talking to you right now. Neither am I nor are you going anywhere. So we will meet back again 6 months. Before that, there'll be a lot of content, but in 6 months time, we'll get back to see how far you have come. So see you on the other side. Until then, take care. Bye.